So I've seen on social media recently about using these massage guns to use them on the carpet to help get the dirt out. So I thought I'd put it to the test to see if it actually works or not. So first off, I thought let's just turn it on and give it a go on the mat and see what happens. You know what? It looks like it's doing an awesome job. Alright, so obviously this is the driver's footwell, so it's going to be the worst out of all of them because it's the most used. But to be fair, you know what? It's actually done an alright job. I think we can see that my mats need a good shampoo anyway, or maybe just a good brush over with a bristly brush. Maybe I'll use the famous bristly brush. But yeah, who knew? One of these social media gimmicks that actually works. So I think we can give that the Violetto Tony seal of approval. And for today, you get a special sticker. Great stuff. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it. Only a silly little quick one for today, but I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.